Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clear a flat tire warning on an Infiniti Q50. First, it's crucial to check all your tires, including the spare, for correct pressure. Inflate them to the recommended cold PSI, usually found on a label inside your driver's side door jamb. Sometimes, simply driving your vehicle above 16 miles per hour for a few minutes will allow the system to recalibrate and turn off the warning light. If the light persists, you can try a manual reset. On your Infiniti Q50's infotainment screen, press the menu button. From there, select Settings, then Meter, and finally Maintenance. Within the Maintenance menu, you should find an option for Tire to perform a reset. Some models might also feature a dedicated TPMS reset button, typically located beneath the steering wheel. Still seeing the warning? Try this. Inflate all your tires to about 3 psi above their recommended pressure. Then, completely deflate them before reinflating to the correct psi. This can sometimes force the sensors to recalibrate. For a more thorough reset, you can disconnect the positive battery terminal for a few minutes, which helps clear residual power from the system. If your tire pressure warning light continues to flash or remains illuminated after trying these steps, it's time to consult a professional. A flashing light often signals a malfunction within the tire pressure monitoring system itself, such as a dead sensor battery or a faulty control module. An Infiniti technician can accurately diagnose the issue and ensure your vehicle's safety systems are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.